Welcome to the online classes. Now we are discussing the given homework in the previous months of the first year classes. Our subject is the physics. Now we have described the first question. The first question is that define the physics. The first question is that define physics. We have to define the basic theory of physics. After that, we have to define the units and classification of the units. So we have to define the basic definition of the physics. In this, physics is the study of science in which we are studying the nature. We are studying the nature. Study of nature. Study of nature. Study of nature, a science which deals with the nature and the various laws which is related to the natures. In the physics, we have studied the nature and there are various types of laws which are given in the nature and we are studying in the topic of physics. It means physics is the branch of science in which we are studying the nature and various laws. Physics is the Physics is the branch of science. Physics is the branch of science in which we study the nature, study the nature and various laws and and its effect on nature. That science is to be known as physics. Basically, physics is the study of four words: event, orientation, event. So first we have to analyze the event. After that we have to do the experiment. After that we are implement. These are the words which is related to the physics. In the physics, there are various types of physical quantities. Measurable quantities are to be known. That measurable quantities is known to be units. If measurable quantities of the physical units, immeasurable quantities that are measured in the nature, that is called physical quantities. All the measurable physical quantities are the units. If we are representing anything, we have to see that their representation can be taken with the help of units. So we have to study the units in the physics. So the basic units are all the measurable things, all the measurable physical quantities are to be known as units. Now there are various types of units in which we are studying. There are various types of program, various types of systems which are given in units. So we have to study their various types of units. The first system is to be known as FPS. First system of the units is to be known as FPS, foot pound second system. It means length is to be measured in feet and weight is to be measured in pounds and time is measured into be seconds. After the FPS system, there are various types of systems is coming. The second system is coming CGS system. The second system that is coming CGS system. What is the CGS system is? Centimeter gram second system. In this type of system, we measure the length in centimeter, measure the mass in gram, and measure the time in second. This type of system is known to be as CGS system. After the implementation of various laws, the next system that is to be coming MKS system. After that, the MKS system is coming. Now, what is the MKS system? Here, length is measured in meter, mass is measured in kilogram, and as time is to be measured in seconds. And this system is to be known as MKS system. After the MKS system, the next system is to be coming SI system. International system of units. This is called International System of Units. In all the words, international system is to be used because this international systems is a fundamental reference level of all the unit systems Hence, we can using the simple SI systems. These are the simple SI systems. These are the classification of the units. Now, there are various types of physical quantities also to be taken, and there are various types of quantities measured. This is the FPS system, foot pound second system, centimeter gram second system, mass kilogram second system, and international system of units. These are the basic systems which we are defining the units.